my ring light right now and you guys would tell me if you can spot the difference. Whoo! Look at that! Okay. What do you guys think? Hey everyone, welcome back again. It's your girl If You May, and if it's your first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe down below and hit the like button. Alright guys, so in today's video I am unboxing my new ring light. So guys, I had a ring light before but it blew out, so I literally have not been filming with a ring light for the past few months. I've only been filming with my two soft boxes, which is right in front of me. And yeah, so hopefully the ring light is gonna make things so much better. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the box looks like. So the box is just over there. Big box. Look at that. Yep, so let's get right into the video. Oh, look at that. So it comes in this bag. I really like it. Travel size. You can definitely travel with this. Let's see what's in this one. So let's see what we got here. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything that was in the box. So first was the tripod. I like that it comes with a tripod. Obviously, how are you going to fix it without the tripod? And then the lights. Yep, we're gonna be fixing this together, okay? And also it came with the remote shutter. I never used this, and it also comes with the phone holder. This, I really like this because you can definitely use this for like as a mini tripod for your phone if you are vlogging. And of course we have the manual. This was before tax, it was $75. And this is a 14-inch. Yeah, it's a 14-inch. A 14-inch isn't bad because it's the same length. I would say it's the same length as my tripod that I'm using right now. Alright, so let's go ahead and fix this bad boy. This ring light is for, it definitely works for videos, pictures. We're just gonna plug this in. So all you're doing is attaching this together and here. Oh, you have to open this. A trick that I never knew when I had my previous ring light. I didn't know you can actually tilt it. So I didn't know you can tilt it this way. I can't believe I didn't know this. But yeah, you can always tilt it down depending on how you want it, and you just have to unscrew it here to get that balance here. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna tighten it right now. Okay, so this is basically what my lighting looks like right now without my ring light. So I'm gonna turn on my ring light right now and you guys will tell me if you can spot the difference. Whoo! Look at that! Okay. What do you guys think? Glowing. See the difference? Oh my gosh, I have missed you so much. Okay, so you can dim the light or you can make it brighter. Oh, this is the brightest. So that's basically what the room looks like. Okay, I'm gonna change the color. Oh. So there's two, I think there's two tones. 2 or 3. Okay, so there's this one, there's this, and then there's this one. Yeah, so this has 3 lights: the cool light, daylight, and the warm light. So I would say this is the daylight, this is the warm light. So warm light isn't that bad. I think I've used this once. It really just, it changes the game actually. Like, oh, I think I like this. I'm gonna take my thumbnail picture. I'm gonna turn off both of my sub boxes right now, and we're just gonna see the difference, okay? Okay, so now I just have my room light turned on. I will turn on the ring light right now. Oh, no, let's change it to this. So that's what it looks like, the daylight. This is what it looks like right now. I'll turn on one of my sub box and see. So it's not too bad. So just in case if you are on a budget and you just want a ring light and a sub box and just one sub box, it can work. Because right now I'm using a ring light and just one sub box, and the lighting isn't too bad as long as I'm also filming with my camera as well. As long as your camera setting is right and your and you have your lighting, you're good. Yeah. Sometimes, to be very honest, I don't even know how to set up my camera sometimes, but I still make it work with my light. So now I'm gonna turn on the second. I'm gonna turn on the second sub box right now. Okay, so here we go. It's just blurry right now. Okay, focus. All right, so yeah. So I would say the ring light gives it a good tone. Yeah, like the tone is just so perfect. Can you see that? I like it. So yeah, I'd say the ring light really does a lot. I can see there's a lot of difference with the ring light. So I'm gonna turn off the ring light now and we'll see what it looks like. So this is basically how I've been filming for the past few months without my ring light, and it's not too bad, but the ring light definitely adds a tone to it, and it definitely adds a little bit of contrast and tone to my lighting. Yeah, turn it on. Oh, I'm so excited. I love my ring light. Yes, definitely gonna recommend this if you're basically on a budget. Yeah, so if you're on a budget, I'm definitely gonna recommend this light. It's very easy to set up. Like you guys saw from my video, this literally took me like 10 minutes to set up. Not even 10 minutes, 5 minutes. What am I saying? Yeah, so like 5 minutes to set up, and yeah, and I got the 14-inch, and this was $75. I'm actually gonna put the link below so you guys can check it out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share down below, and let me know what you guys think about this video.